Welcome to TechLipar channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to turn on dark mode on Google Sheets in your Windows laptop or PC. So at first open up your Chrome browser. After open the Chrome browser, just click on this Google Apps option. From here find Sheets. That's it. Then just open it. Now you cannot find any dark mode option on the Google Sheets. So you need to add a Chrome extension to turn on or enable dark mode. Just open up new tab and then search for Chrome Web Store. Then go to first link. From here go to search bar and then search for Google Sheets dark mode. Now from here just click on Google Sheets dark mode. Then click on add to Chrome. Then click on add extension. Now from here go to Google Sheets and then click on extension option. Just pin this extension. That's it. You can see it's added successfully. Then just click here. Now you have to just enable this option from here. Now open up any document and that's it. You can see dark mode has been enabled successfully on the Google Sheets. And that is how you can turn on dark mode on Google Sheets in your Windows laptop or PC. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.